Welcome to Share Science. You have a secret superpower that you use every day. And you don't even know it. Your sense of touch is a pretty cool thing. And today, we're going to get a grasp of the amazing things touch can do. Before you were even born, your very first sense was your sense of touch. Cool, right? It all happens in your body's largest organ, the skin. And guess what? Your skin is super amazing. It's covered in millions of teeny tiny sensors that help you feel the world around you. These touch sensors can sense things like warm sunlight, a cold popsicle, or a tickly feather. Your skin is always on the job, sending messages to your brain super fast so you know exactly what you're feeling and what to do next. Touch is much more than just textures. Your skin searches for different clues about the world around you. There are pressure sensors to tell you when something's pushing or poking you, temperature sensors to tell if something's hot or cold, and even pain sensors to warn you if something might hurt. When a feeling touches the skin, the different receptors pick this up, and a network of nerve cells then transport these messages to your brain. Your brain can then figure out what you're touching and has a reflex action. This means if you touch something hot or pointy, your brain will move your hand away. Did you know these touch receptors can calm you down? When you're feeling worried, a simple hug from someone you trust can help your whole body relax. That's because your body releases a special chemical called oxytocin. Oxytocin is sometimes called the cuddle hormone. It helps you feel connected, safe, and calm. It can slow down your heart rate, lower your blood pressure, and make your brain more calm. Normally, touch is processed in a part of the brain called the sensory cortex. That's the part of your brain that carefully figures out what you're feeling. But when you're stressed, your brain switches to a faster, more emotional part, the amygdala. The amygdala is your brain's alarm system. It doesn't ask a lot of questions. It just reacts. Fast. And did you know? Some parts of your body are more sensitive than others. Try this. If you pinch your elbow, no matter how hard you pinch, it won't hurt. That's because there are very few touch receptors here, so it's very insensitive. But sometimes our sense of touch can be tricky. Have you ever felt something that wasn't really there? Like a tickle on your arm? Or the feeling that your phone buzzed but it didn't? Whoa! That is a super cool thing called phantom touch. Phantom touch is when your brain thinks you're being touched, but your body isn't actually feeling anything. Your brain is always busy reading signals, but it gets mixed up sometimes. Why? Because your brain is really good at predicting. If it expects a feeling, but doesn't get a clear message, it might fill in the blanks. And because our brain gets confused, it relies on other senses, not just touch, to work out what we're feeling. Normally, your senses work as a team. Your skin tells you what you're touching, your eyes tell you what you're seeing. And your brain puts this all together into one big what's happening report. But sometimes your eyes shout louder than your skin. This is what happens in virtual reality. In VR, you see your hand touching something. Some VR systems even add little vibrations or puffs of air to feel your sense of touch even more. This is called haptic feedback. Tiny tricks to make your hands feel something that isn't really there. It's why VR feels so real, even if you're sat on your couch. We hope you liked today's video learning all about touch and how it can trick you or make you feel better. If you want to learn more about how our bodies interact with the world around us, check out our other senses videos. Remember to like and subscribe to get more content, just like this on your homepage automatically.